Oh, hey, there you are. Just thought I'd show you something. I picked this up locally. It is I'm sure you all know what the hell this is. It's a vintage Game Boy. Well, I bought it because my daughter was asking me what the hell it was, and I couldn't resist Tetris. So we all know what Tetris is. It's got the little... I'm not sure if the music's copyrighted, so I'm going to keep it off because we don't get a copyright strike on whatever. But yeah, it's you remember this game, folks? It's kind of, hold on, I might got to play with the contrast here a little bit. That's too dark. That's too light. Anyway, everyone remembers Game Boy. I got this for 2 games. Apparently, they make all the parts for it still. It's their standard thing. It comes with. It didn't come with the Kirkland batteries, but I bought it for my daughter to play with it. I picked up another game, but the screen has a line down the side, on this side and this side. So what? My next video, I bought a color screen for it for a, what is this, dot matrix with stereo sound thing. Well, apparently it doesn't turn the games into color. It changes it to one color. So if you want an ugly green, you could just, and this button turns into instead of a contrast, it turns into a wheel where you can just change it from color to color, and the whole screen's one color, which is pretty cool. So soon I'm making a video on taking this apart and putting a screen in it. Not because I'm starting a gaming channel, just because, well, I'm always doing something stupid. So, I mean, might as well, right? So that's my next thing, Game Boy. All right.